In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with automated crypto monitoring tools. Find the bot links in the video description. As an example, we will be monitoring crypto prices on Binance and on Coinbase. The resulting Excel file will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel. And if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. Part 1. Binance Monitoring. To make money on Binance, track cryptocurrency rates using the Binance P2P data exporter. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Search for the Binance P2P data exporter. Click on the bot name. Click on the green button to start the bot. Select the currency, fiat value, payment, and transaction type. Select how many results you need to export. Set monitoring frequency, for example, every hour. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. The bot will monitor cryptocurrency prices automatically and send you notifications as often as scheduled. Schedule an alert about the highest crypto price, sell crypto for much, and earn bags of money. Part 2. Monitoring other trading platforms. To make money on other crypto platforms, use the no-code bot builder. Install Botster's free Chrome extension. Click on the green button and select the monitoring bot. Enter a link and click on Select Elements. Add the elements that you need to monitor. For example, Bitcoin price, volume and supply. Set monitoring frequency. For example, every hour. Launch the bot into action. Done. The bot will monitor cryptocurrency prices automatically and send you notifications as often as scheduled. Monitor any cryptocurrency data, buy low and sell high, and earn tons of money. Sign up on Botster, monitor cryptocurrency prices in a smart way, and make a fortune. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.